When he went blind, he was used for breeding his whole life. His family threw him in the pound because he lived outside his whole life by himself. He was very nervous, but he really loves company. Tommy loves everybody. When we're out on a walk, he just wants to go over and meet everybody. And he is just a big goofball. He likes to get really, really excited and do lots of spins on the floor. We call him his tornadoes. I think he thinks he's a puppy. Sometimes he lies on the floor and pretends to be a sea lion. But people are really hard on the breed. He gets a lot of comments when we're out on walks. A lot of people will cross to the other side of the road, even though he's a big softie, he just wants to see them. My partner was nervous about bringing a dog into a house because we had adopted some guinea pigs and rabbits. But I was just dying to take the chance. And most of our wee families are disabled anyway, so a blind dog just finishes it off. Henry has met Tommy and he's not scared of him at all. Henry was deaf when we adopted him. We noticed he just wasn't listening and he would speak more easily. Because Tommy's blind, if he was to run after Henry, Henry would have a fair chance. He'll sometimes hear Henry and he'll just go over and try to see what's going on. He's just very curious. Tommy's very trustful, especially of me. I can just say something and he'll be like, yeah, let's do it. I'm surprised he's adapted so well. I wouldn't be hesitant to get a blind dog. They just need extra reassurance. But I've never met a dog so sweet.